Hi guys, what can I say? It's been a very bad summer for sneaker pickups. Elves all over the place, but I do have one very exciting shoe to show you. And while you're here, do subscribe, as I've got some very exciting things coming up on the channel that you won't want to miss, will you? So this is the Jordan 1 Crater. Not Space Hippie. I mean, I tried to get my hands on the Space Hippie, but sneakers wasn't having it. But anyway, I think it's quite a cool shoe, and I think it's the first Jordan they've made where they're trying to go down a sort of sustainable route. And what they did is they went round the factory floor with a dustpan and brush, picking up all the debris and stuff, and they made this kind of midsole here, and the sole itself, if you can see that, you can see all the kind of bits of debris they've put in. And also this canvas on the upper is also meant to be a little bit sustainable, which is very good. Now, as well as copying the Space Hippie, these are part of the range of Jordans that feature the Zoom air bubble in. So they're going to be that little bit more comfy than a regular Jordan 1. Sniff test? Smells nowhere near as good as a regular Jordan 1, let me tell you. But I guess it has got trash in it, so I'll forgive them. As usual, they haven't bothered to lace them, but they have thrown in this kind of orangey pair of laces, so that if you're so inclined you can put these on, but I think I'll stick with the black ones. Now, to show you the box, just a cardboard box in it, but I've written some stuff on. Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. I mean, I'm not going to be doing sport in my Jordans, am I? But yeah, I appreciate that. Save the planet and all that. So that's it. I mean, as I said, there's been elves all over the place this summer, and I missed out on a lot. I mean, loads of dunks. The Sean Weatherspoon Asics, the off-white Jordan 4s. But what can you do? Hopefully we'll have a bit more luck in the fall, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon.